The Klein 93LCLS crossline laser projects bright horizontal and vertical lines that stay visible across a long indoor distance, making layout work straightforward even in larger rooms. Its pendulum-based, self-leveling mechanism quickly settles into plumb and level, so you spend more time working and less time fiddling with manual adjustments. The tool includes both crosslines and precise up and down plumb spots, which is especially helpful for transferring points from floor to ceiling with far more accuracy than a traditional string bob. A rugged housing with strong resistance to dust and water, combined with a sturdy hard case, means this laser level holds up well to daily use on demanding job sites. The integrated magnetic mounting bracket with full rotation, multiple thread sizes, and a simple hanging option lets you attach the laser securely to metal, tripods, or clamps in a wide range of setups. An extra ceiling clamp, along with a clear battery status indicator and easily accessed battery compartment, makes it well suited for grid sealing work and reduces downtime during long projects.